Pacific shoreline. And I'll go anywhere if you'll be by my side. It's alright, we'll leave everything behind. And I'll say, follow me to the unknown. We'll take the back roads we don't know. Let's get lost, one tank of gas, don't need a map. Drive too fast, you're my North Star, you're my home. Doesn't matter where we go. Follow me to the unknown. 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 I'll keep you up with all my stories. Lose control when I make you laugh. And I'll go anywhere cause you're right by my side. It's alright, cause we left everything behind, just you and I. Follow me to the unknown. We'll take the back roads we don't know. Let's get lost, one tank of gas, don't need a map. Drive too fast, you're my North Star, you're my home. Doesn't matter where we go. Follow me to the unknown. 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 There's no other place you know I'd rather be. You're zipped up in my sweater laying next to me. Dropped up on the boardwalk on the hood of my car. Parked out by the beach, we're catching shooting stars. There's no other place you know I'd rather be. You're zipped up in my sweater laying next to me. Dropped up on the boardwalk on the hood of my car. Parked out by the beach, we're catching shooting stars. Follow me to the unknown. We'll take the back roads we don't know. Let's get lost, one tank of gas, don't need a map. Drive too fast, you're my North Star, you're my home. Doesn't matter where we go. Follow me to the unknown. Follow me to the unknown. There's no other place you know I'd rather be. You're zipped up in my sweater laying next to me. Dropped up on the boardwalk on the hood of my car. Parked out by the beach, we're catching shooting stars. There's no other place you know I'd rather be. You're zipped up in my sweater laying next to me. Dropped up on the boardwalk on the hood of my car. Parked out by the beach, we're catching shooting stars.
Ain't worried if I'm up by the lakeside. No, I don't really care what we do, cause everything just falls by the wayside when I take time with you. Am I crazy for not wanting to chase lights? No, I just want a table for two. No, I don't need a reason to make time for date night with you. You and me alone, better than all the pictures on my phone. How could I not give in, baby? How could I ever say no? Too good to be true, but we're living our dream. Candlelight on the roof, but we're still in our jeans. It's you and I dancing the good life. Dancing inside of our room, but we're giving up sleep. Like Paris in June, but we're just on our street. It's you and I taking the good life. Dancing the good life. We don't have to worry about next week, and it might look a little bit messy, but what's trendy just pretends we won't forget. You and me alone, better than all the pictures on my phone. How could I not give in, baby? How could I ever say no? Too good to be true, but we're living our dream. Candlelight on the roof, but we're still in our jeans. It's you and I dancing the good life. Dancing inside of our room, but we're giving up sleep. Like Paris in June, but we're just on our street. It's you and I
there anybody out there? I think I need a lifeline. I've been drifting through the darkness, looking for the sunrise. Sometimes it feels like we're so far away, trying to keep our heads above the waves. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold, cold ocean. Are we gonna run like we're strangers at the first sight of danger? I'll still be hanging on, just tell me we're not going under. Filling up with water, breaking into pieces, losing what we wanted, finding what we needed. If we learn to weather this storm, we'll be stronger than before. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold, cold ocean. Are we gonna run like we're strangers at the first sight of danger? I'll still be hanging on, just tell me we're not going under. Before it's too late and we've sealed our fate, just tell me we're gonna be okay. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold